Hi and welcome to this course on djembe repair. I'm Al and I'm... If you live somewhere humid or you just want extra protection, wood wax or paste wax, usually wood wax or paste wax, which can help seal the wood and give it a shock. Jeepers creepers. Are we actually not recording any of that?
The video is wrong. The whole video is wrong. Oh no.
Slide the rope under the ring, reach through the I wasn't recording. Make sure that you've got no wrinkles, pushing them out like that.
I've just managed to stab myself in the hand with a screwdriver. Hello, my darling. You're gonna come eat while I'm trying to film. That I can show you how to do this. Man.
And you're gonna need your gloves, which I don't have. If you live somewhere humid or you just want extra protection. You're kidding me, are we actually not recording any of that?
Sometimes it's electrical tape. Whatever it is. Boo boo.
Reach through the loop and grab the rope. Reach through me.